Hi, in this video, we'll be addressing one of the topics that was requested by one of our viewers, which is finding the gradient of a tangent, of the tangent of a curve at a given point, which for this example, the function will be the curve will be x squared plus 1, f of x equals x squared plus 1, and the given point will be x equals 2, which could be written as well as x equals 2, comma, y equals, or well, we would have it like this. X equals 2, comma, and we sub 2 here, which will be 2 squared plus 1 would be 5. So this is the given point, which is the same as writing this. So to start this exercise, let's see what it means. First, we have to find what is the tangent of in this given point. So remembering the definition of tangent, we would have that the tangent is a line that touches only one point of a given curve. The tangent to a curve touches only one point of that curve in that point. So let's say we have 2 here. Change color to yellow. Okay, we have 2 here. This point is x equals 2. So the tangent at this point would look like this. So now that we have the tangent, sorry. Now that we have the tangent, we need to find the gradient of that tangent. And keep in mind that for functions with one single variable, only one variable, the gradient would come as the same as the slope. They would actually be the same. For in this case that we only have one variable, which is x. It could be also like this. We only have one variable, which is x. Okay, so let's start the exercise by finding the function to this tangent right here, or not for this tangent, because if we remember, when we find the derivative of this function, let's do this quickly. F prime of x, we have 2 here, so it would be like this. Multiply by 2, then we have x squared 2 minus 1 plus 0, which would be 2x plus nothing. Okay. So this right here is not the function for this tangent. This is the function for the slope of any given tangent at any point. This means if I had here, let's say this is -5, then the tangent would be this. Would look like this, right? So if I sub in this function, if I sub x equals -5, then the result, which would be f of -5, which is equal to 2 times -5, -10. This right here would be the slope for this tangent, because we sub this x, which was this. But if I sub as well x equals 2, then we would have this. F of f prime of 2 equals 4. 2 times 2, 4. So this right here would be the slope. 4 would be the slope for this point, for the tangent that touches this point. This has a slope of 2, and this one has a slope of -10. So knowing this, the exercise is already solved, but let's do it more clear. Let's go back. Okay, here we are. So to find the gradient, which for this case will be the same as the slope, we would only have to sub for x equals 2. Should be f2 equals 2 times 2, should be 4. And this is the gradient. The gradient is 4. And that would be it. This is not the equation, of course. This is only the gradient, which was what was asked in the exercise. So I hope everything was clear. If not, then you can leave in the comments any suggestions you have, anything you would like to add, a question you would like to ask, just anything. Thank you for watching.